Okay, so duplicating the picture out of the book for 11.5 number 32, I have some junk like this.
Nice.
Which has maybe 4 things I could notice. Maybe 5, something like that. At the very least, it's got a, what? What do you, like, big notices. For the first, no.
Asymptotes that y equals 1 and x equals 2.
Nice, Jeremy. Yeah, notice the asymptotes. You're like, okay, when x is 2, apparently we're dividing by 0. Problematic. And apparently as we run off to either infinity, we get towards -1. You guys see that? Okay, so let me see. Take care of the dividing by 0 at 2 first. Like, my goal here is to guess a formula for this, right? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do to guess a formula is I'm going to fix the division by 0 thing.
X minus 2 at the bottom.
So I think there's an x minus 2 in the bottom. Absolutely. Okay, then what?
We're shifting it down by 1.
Dude, nice. Yeah, there's a down 1. You see that? What are you thinking of?
The -1 over x.
Yeah, you're kind of prototyping with 1 over x or -1 over x. So if you think, okay, it got flipped over 2, you can know that there's a minus sign up top, right? And then it went down 1, so I subtracted 1 at the end. And then the what's up top is kind of up for grabs, right? You guys see that? Like, that's the kind of vertical inflation factor. And I don't necessarily know what that is right off the bat. So just checking off what I got done. I think I got asymptote to y equals -1 there. Right? Because if I plug in a really big number, this thing's going to be really big. It divides some finite thing by really big. This part's going to be basically 0. I'm going to get that -1 out. So I got the and behavior. Do I have this x equals 2 asymptote down? Yep, I got that guy. And I got the fact that it looks this way with that minus sign. Right? So what else is left to get?
They give us both the intercepts.
Yeah, these two are the x and the y intercepts, right? So that x-intercept is -1 and the y-intercept is 0.5.
So actually 0, you have 1 out.
Okay, so I know that if I plug 0 into this thing, right, g of 0, I should get a half out. So let me plug 0 into this. I got minus, I don't know, over
0 minus -2.
0 minus 2 is -2, and then -1.
Which is -4.
Would it make more sense if I put something other than a question mark there?
Yeah, so what -1 is 1/2?
Okay, so if I put a k here, and maybe a k up there. So I have 1/2 equals k over 2 minus 1.
So 3/2.
It's kind of on board. So that feels like, yeah, add 1 to both sides. Maybe find a common bottom or something. Massage that into k is 3/2, I think.
3.
I just think k is 3. Right? 3/2 minus 1 is definitely 1/2. Okay, so I should put my k as 3 up here. And then I should think to myself, ooh, I really hope that I haven't botched this somehow. That -1.
So you put, so let's plug in -1.
So we plug in -1 where?
For x.
For x. And I should get
0.
0 out, hopefully.
You do.
Okay, so if I plug in -1 for x, I got g of -1 is -3 over -3 minus 1
Look at that. 0.
equals 0. Check. So I think I have taken care of these guys, and kind of the way it is. Cool? All right, so I have now a possible solution, right? And that's everything they ask for, right? Yep. Cool. Where'd they lose you?
I just thought there was like something with the K. I got it.
Cool. Yeah, so I'd probably look at this as 1 over x and then start fiddling around. It's not necessarily true that this has to be 1 over x fiddled around. You guys see that?
Yeah.
Like they said possible formula, right? Here's a possible formula. Is this the only formula?
No.
Nah, could be a 1 over x cubed.
And you
Or 1 over x to some odd power anyway.
could write your -1 with the common bottom as well.
Yeah, I mean, you could algebraically manipulate this thing, but my point is that this isn't even the only possible function up to algebraic manipulation. You could have some kind of, right here, any odd number there would probably do it for you. You guys see that? You'd have to adjust some stuff, but you could have started with 1 over x cubed instead of 1 over x.